everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this week's video where I'll be doing my nails once again. And today I have an idea in mind where I want to do some ombre nails, kind of Y2K. I was looking up inspiration for nails and stuff, and I wanted to do like something with like black on the tips, and I was like, why don't I do something that's like a little bit Y2K inspired? I don't know a lot about it, but I just want to do something inspired by it. Before I get into like what I'm doing for the nails and stuff, I just want to talk about like the hassle it was to actually get this video done. I was planning on recording this video on Tuesday, but I wasn't able to because my drill just broke. My drill stopped working and I was so upset, so I had to get a new one. So my new one is the one I'm using here. It's this cordless one, and I don't know if it was my fault or the drill's fault. I don't know if I've been using it too much or whatever, but it just stopped working. So I guess this is kind of a review for this new drill that I got. And basically, you can turn it to reverse or you can turn it to forward. And there's 25 different speeds you can go at. As you can see, I'm testing that right here. You can press down to pause to stop it. Or if you want to turn it off or turn it on, you could just hold it down for 3 seconds like I did here. But yeah, that was just a review of the new efile that I just got. But the struggle is real. Y'all, on Tuesday, I had actually gotten up early to start making the video. I got everything set up, and then as when I was about to start doing my cuticle work with my cuticle bit, I realized that my drill just would not work, and I was so upset. I had actually planned out like how I was going to do the video thoroughly on Tuesday, and then all my plans were halted. So that brings us to today's video where we're going to be doing these ombre kind of Y2K inspired nails. And as you can see, I'm doing stiletto this time. I recently got these in the mail the other day, and they're actually pre-etched, which is something that I think is really cool. And that saves me a lot of time, so I don't have to, you know, beforehand just like etch them in. So I think that's pretty cool. So here I am using my file to rough up the surface, and really I don't have anything bad to say about this drill. I just hope that it lasts long, and I hope that it doesn't just stop working after 2 weeks, because that was very frustrating, especially when I had everything set up to do my nails, and then my past one that I've been using on like all of my other videos, it just stopped working, and I was very upset and very frustrated. So I will be returning it for a refund, but I hope this one works better. I actually really do like the Melody Susie brand. I hope that this one works really good, because honestly, e-files save me a whole lot of time, and plus it's really satisfying to watch myself file down my nails in editing. I just think that it's so satisfying to watch like the nails go from this clear color to like this cloudy white color. Y'all, I just have to say this. I know I'm not the only one who finds it satisfying to put on base coat after you file down your nails. Like, once you file it, it's become like all cloudy and white, and then once you put on the base coat, it finally becomes clear, and then it just looks so great. I just find it so satisfying. After the base coat is done, here are the two colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this nude color and then this black color. And actually, I have not used black on my nails yet, so that is a first. But basically, to do these ombre nails, I'm going to be doing a technique that I have used in the past. A couple weeks ago, I made a video about summer hibiscus nails. And in that video, I did a technique where I used this same brush and I just put it upwards like I do here. And it creates that ombre effect that we want for these nails. Now that the first coat is done, I'm going to go ahead and use a second coat, and I'm going to use the same ombre technique. Once the coats were done, I went ahead and picked out some charms that I want to go ahead and put on my nails. So if you ever look up like Y2K inspired nails, I really see like crosses being used and a bunch of like rhinestones and stuff, so I wanted to kind of mimic that with this. And also my decision to use black on the tips instead of any other color was also something that was inspired by the type of nails that I was researching. I have seen like zebra print and cheetah print and stuff, and I was gonna originally do zebra print, but I had already set in stone like the fact that I was gonna do black, and I was like, okay, maybe I can save zebra print for another time. So in another video, maybe I'll do zebra print, but in this video, I'm just sticking to ombre and rhinestones. And this look is inspired by the 2000s. I honestly don't know a lot about the 2000s. I've just seen nail inspiration and stuff like that, and plus I wanted to try out this new nail shape that I haven't used before, stilettos, and yeah. After I put all the gems and stuff on the middle finger, the ring finger, and the thumb, I originally was just gonna leave the pinky and the index finger just blank with nothing on it, but I thought that would look kind of boring, so I just had to add something to them. And now I'm just adding a top coat to finish everything off. Here are the finished nails. Let me guys know what you think in the comments, but honestly, I think I could have done better on the ombre. But let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next nail video. And I hope my nail drill doesn't die on me. Bye.